आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर सेकेंड ऑफ क्लास 10 साइंस एसिड बेस एंड सॉल्ट एंड द मेन टॉपिक इज द एसिड विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. So acid is derived from a Latin word known as the acidus, which means those substances which are sour in taste. So those substances which are sour in taste are called as acid. But as we know, we cannot taste each and every substance. हम हर substance को taste करके नहीं पता कर सकते कि वो acid and base है. Then those substances which release H plus or H3O plus ion when dissolved in water. जब भी हम किसी सब्सटेंस को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करें और H plus और H3O plus ion अगर रिलीज होते हैं then that substance is categorized as acid. For example, HCl, if I am dissolving in it water, it can easily form H3O plus and Cl minus. So this hydronium ion it is releasing, meaning it is acid in nature. So acid can be classified on the basis of these four factors. First of all is the source. If it is obtained from plants and animals, or we can say from natural living things, then it is known as an organic acid. For example, methanoic acid. ठीक है, हनी बी होती है, हनी बी स्ट्रिंग अगर आपको कर जाती है तो जो आपको सेंसेशन होती है बिकॉज बी हैज इंजेक्टेड दिस मिथेनोइक एसिड इन योर बॉडी. सिमिलरली जो जैसे चींटी काटने पे जो भी आपको सेंसेशन बर्निंग सेंसेशन होता है दैट इज ओनली बिकॉज दोज इंसेक्ट्स कैन ईजिली इंजेक्ट दिस एसिड इन योर बॉडी. देन द नेक्स्ट on the basis of source is the inorganic acid. Now those acids which are present in rocks and minerals, they are called as the inorganic acid. For example, HCl, HNO3, these are the strong acid and also known as the mineral acid. So first classification on the basis of source, organic acid from plants and animals, inorganic acids from rock and minerals. Now next is the basicity is the number of H plus ion which an acid can release. For example, HCl when ionized will releasing 1 H plus ion. ठीक है. Similarly, H2SO4 is an acid which can release 2 H plus ion, SO4 2 minus. Similarly, H3PO4 is an acid which can easily release 3 H plus ion. So these three are the different type of classification. One is the monobasic. Mono meaning single H plus ion it is releasing. Second one is the dibasic. And the third one which is releasing 3 H plus ion is known as the tribasic. So on the basis of their basicity, there are three type of acid: monobasic, dibasic and tribasic. 1 H plus ion, 2 H plus ion, 3 H plus ion. Next is on the basis of their ionization. Ionization meaning how they are breaking up. For example, HCl completely break to form H plus and Cl minus ion, whereas ethanoic acid, that is an organic acid, ठीक है, it partially decompose, ये completely decompose नहीं होता है, it partially decompose to form CH3COO minus plus H plus ion. So on the basis of their ionization they can be classified into a strong acid and the weak acid. Now all the edible acid जिसका भी हम intake कर सकते हैं, for example citric acid which is present in lemon, then this ethanoic acid which is present in vinegar, they all are weak acid and which are edible. ठीक है. Strong acid are all mineral acid which are very harmful to us. ठीक है. So on the basis of ionization there are two type of acid: strong acid and the weak acid. Now the next classification is on the basis of their concentration. Now concentration meaning the percentage of acid dissolved in water. If more percentage of acid is dissolved, it is known as the concentrated solution. If less percentage of acid is present in water, is known as the dilute acid. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंसनट्रेटेड वर्ड में हम CuNC.H2SO4 लिखते हैं, तो हम स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड से ही स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड से ही कंसंट्रेटेड और डाइल्यूट एसिड बना सकते हैं, ठीक है, बाय चेंजिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ एन एसिड. इट विल कंटेन मोर ऑफ एसिड, लेस ऑफ वाटर, whereas in the second case there is more of water and less amount of acid is present. That is concentrated acid and the dilute acid. So ये complete classification हो जाती है आपका concentrated and dilute in the concentration part.